A luxury bus that suddenly turned into an inferno. Over 20 lives just gone like that. Many injured. Their devastated families are now waiting at the hospital for DNA sampling and answers.
हादसा तो काफी बुरा हुआ है, कैजुअलिटी बहुत ज्यादा हुई है, यही वाली बात है। डीएनए सैंपल अभी उसी के लिए हम लोग मॉर्निंग में इकट्ठे हुए हैं, अभी लिया नहीं है डीएनए।
सुबह 6 बजे से हमारे अभी तक डीएनए नहीं हुआ हमारे घर।
Who really is responsible for this deadly lapse? This was not an accident. It was a mobile death chamber. In Jaisalmer, a non-AC bus had been modified into an AC sleeper coach just 5 days before it caught fire. There was no emergency exit, no second door, and apparently no safety inspection. India Today travelled to Jaipur-Delhi Road, where these so-called luxury buses are being built from scratch, and what we found was shocking. At Vijay Lakshmi Bus Builders, the wiring for ACs, TVs and lighting was being done by a man who had studied only up to 8th grade. No certification, no supervision.
ये राजस्थान का जो आरटीओ है वो ट्रेड सर्टिफिकेट हमारे को देता है गाड़ी बनाने के लिए, ये अप्रूव्ड है इसका। नॉर्म्स के हिसाब से हम बनाते हैं। आरटीओ हमारे को इसकी साइज वगैरह सब बताता है, इतने परसेंट पे बनेगी, इतना हैवी ड्यूटी मटेरियल इसमें यूज होगा, वो सब उसी के हिसाब से बनाते हैं।
In various parts of Jaipur, there are several such bus manufacturing units which are into manufacturing of buses. But the main question is that whether these manufacturing units are actually following norms or flouting them. India Today has visited several such manufacturing units where buses were being manufactured. But is there any authority to oversee whether those norms which they are supposed to follow are being followed, whether it's regard to fire extinguishing or whether it's regard to the wiring, the cables?
The RTO is tasked with inspecting every modified vehicle before it hits the road. But in Rajasthan, it seems collusion and corruption have replaced regulation.
एमबीएक्स में क्या कि जो गाड़ियाँ पासिंग हो रही हैं, आरआई करता पासिंग, वो प्रॉपर रूप से अपना कानून पूरा नहीं कर रही है।
Even after 20 plus deaths, no one from the RTO has visited the site of the tragedy. Buses that are supposed to be luxury rides are being turned into death traps. The question is no longer how this happened, but how often it's being allowed to happen. And unless the system wakes up, Jaisalmer won't be the last time we burn with regret.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.